Hey guys, it's me Ashton and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing Thursday's Child by TXT. Now I'm late to this because I unfortunately didn't get to pre-order their album like I wanted to, and I actually had to buy it in person, and this is how much each album actually cost me. That's why I typically don't buy them from any store in my city. Like, the only store is Sunrise or off Amazon because it gets pricey. However, I had no choice but to do it this time due to me needing money for Stray Kids tickets, and then 17 had their comeback and also going on tour, and that's where majority of my money has went to. Anyway, so we're going to unbox these lovely albums here. I'm going to start with this album, the Hate version. So I did buy these from Sunrise. I went to the mall on Friday, which is a few days ago, and I happened to go to Sunrise and saw that they had these. I was actually seeing if they had 17's Face the Sun. I did pre-order the albums, but I just kind of wanted to open one then, but they didn't have it. They had Thursday's Child though, and I thought to myself, I do want this album, so I will just go ahead and buy it. But of course, I wanted all three versions, so I just spent like $135 on 3 albums, which is not typically what I would like to do, but did it for my boys. Anyway, so get this ginormous poster, which, to be honest, I have no room for any new posters. And like, this is even too big for me to even like lay it out to even show you. But at this point, you guys will have seen what these posters look like. This is just going to go into my collection of posters that I cannot hang up on my wall. So the album itself. They look so good though. This comeback was so amazing. Good Boy Gone Bad is such a bop. Like, all the songs were basically being released beforehand. Like, they were doing little teasers, and it was so upsetting not to be able to go listen to the full song. Like, Trust Fund Baby, that was so good. Like, this outfit, it's, wow. These boys have really gone dead. Oh, look at that. Alright. So, I have Bumgu's little card here, and I have Yeonjin's PC. It looks very cute. Go through it. I will admit that I already opened these beforehand to see who I got, and that's why the PCs were in the middle of the photo book and not here like it should have been, mostly because I was afraid that they would get ruined due to the fact that when I opened them, here's Taeyeon's photo card, I was actually at my friend's house, and I, you know, just didn't want to risk it because I saw that some people's photo cards were bent when they opened the cards. But close the Hate version. Put to the side. Alright, so we will open the N version next. Once again, we have a ginormous poster. I do like this poster and like this concept the most, I think. I dropped the poster. So I think it's just like a nice simple concept, and they look just so pretty. They do look very sad though. Very heartbroken. Alright, for this one I did not shove the photo cards in the middle of it. I have Taeyeon's photo card. It's like at the back. This is actually the first photo card of Taeyeon's that I have pulled. I've traded for him before, but I've never actually pulled him. And then I got Subin's card here. Very cute. And then we got Yeonjun's poster, or postcard. So cute. And we have all these stickers. And I didn't show in the last one, but there's just like these photos that come in them. Kind of make it feel like a crime scene or something. Just like, oh. And it has this thing that I'm never going to make that I've seen other people. I don't need to personally make it. It's just gonna stay in the album forever because it seems like too much effort for me to try to do. And I'm not a very handy person, to be honest. The postcard back in there. Alright, and last but not least, we have the mess version. Alright. The poster. That's pretty nice already. We got Kai right there. Got all the bad boys. Can't really show the posters that well. Wish I had more room to be able to fold it out, but I don't. I think this is a nice concept as well for the photo book. It's simple. This one is a bit darker to show our bad boys. We have Kill Me there, but they all look very good. The why they have to be in an alley by garbage, we'll still never understand. I guess that's where the bad boys go, hang out in the alley. I'm just posed by garbage because, like, why not? Why wouldn't you? Alright, so I did put this one in the middle to protect them. So once again, I had pulled Taeyeon. He decided that this is his era for me. Very cute. And then I also got his little, whatever photo card lenticle you want to call it. Very cute. And I got Yeonjun's postcard again. Got the tickets. I wonder if that's from the last album and when Subin is supposed to take us on a movie date. Just straight up plain and garbage. We will love to see it, I guess. Wonderful. And then of course we got more stickers of hate and this thing. And once again, I will never be building. Pretty sure these pictures are the same. Yes, they are. So, you know, like I said, crime scene kind of photos. Back in there. Alright. Oh, okay, go back in there. Alright. So these were the pulls from the album. So I at least have one of, I was gonna say one of every member. I do not, because I do not have anything of Kai's. This album, they said no. Taeyeon wanted to be the star of this one, which is completely fine. But I am very happy with my pulls. I do collect Yeonjun and Kai, but I will collect every member. Like when I pull a member, I say this for any group, when whoever I pull is who I keep. I only trade doubles or quadruples or whatever. So I'm very happy with my pulls. Everyone looks super cute and really bad boyish, and I will gladly add these all to my collection. Anyway, there we go. All right, anyway, so that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye bye.